Hey Leo, welcome back. Today we're talking about something super useful, how to ask for help politely in English.
Finally, because sometimes I want to ask for help, but I freeze and just point at things like a lost tourist.
Happens to everyone, but today you'll learn phrases that work anywhere, in a store, on the street, at work, at the gym, anywhere.
Perfect. I want to stop looking like a confused puppy.
Don't worry, we'll fix that. Let's start with the most basic phrase. Excuse me, can you help me?
Simple. Easy. I can use that anywhere, right?
Exactly. It's polite, friendly, and neutral. Great for beginners. Try saying it with a natural tone.
Excuse me. Can you help me? Okay. I feel like a real human being already.
Good job. Another polite version is, could you help me, please? It sounds a little softer and even more polite.
So, can you is basic, could you is more polite.
Exactly. Could sounds gentler and is often preferred with strangers.
Got it. What's next?
If you want to be extra polite or formal, for example, in a store or a hotel, you can say, sorry to bother you, but I need some help.
Oh, that sounds nice. Like I'm not trying to disturb the person.
Yes, it shows respect. Very useful in customer service situations.
Okay, let me try. Sorry to bother you, but I need some help. Too dramatic?
No, that was perfect. Maybe a tiny bit theatrical, but that's your style.
I'm a natural performer. What can I say?
All right, Broadway star, here's another one. I'm having trouble with, and then you finish the sentence.
Like, I'm having trouble with this form. Or, I'm having trouble with the Wi-Fi.
Exactly. It helps the other person understand the problem immediately.
That's actually really helpful. Sometimes I don't know how to start explaining, so that gives me a structure.
Good. And here's an even softer version. Could you give me a hand?
That one is cute. It sounds friendly.
Yes, it's casual and warm. You can use it with coworkers, friends, or people around you in everyday situations.
So, maybe not with a police officer or an immigration agent?
Yeah, probably stick with, excuse me, can you help me in those situations.
Good call. I don't want to get deported because I sounded too friendly.
Exactly. Context matters. Now, another phrase I love is, I'm not sure how to do this. Could you show me?
Oh, that's good. It's polite and it asks for demonstration.
Yes, it works at the gym, at work, using a machine, anything.
Let me try. I'm not sure how to do this. Can you show me?
Great, you sound supernatural.
You see, I'm evolving. Soon I'll be asking for help like a sophisticated English gentleman.
I'll believe it when I hear the British accent.
Don't tempt me. I'll start speaking like I'm in a Victorian novel.
Please don't. Let's move on before things get weird. Now I want to teach you a phrase that's very polite and very common. Do you mind helping me?
Oh, yeah, I've heard that one. It sounds gentle.
Yes, but careful. It's a question that requires a no for a positive answer.
No. English on its traps.
For example, do you mind helping me? If the person says, no, I don't mind, it means yes, they will help.
Confusing, but I'll survive.
You will, and it's a great phrase to sound polite and confident.
Trust me, I need all the help phrases I can get. I'm the king of getting lost.
Good, then the next phrases are perfect for you. Sometimes you want help with information, so you can say, could you tell me? Or do you know where?
Yes, like, could you tell me where the bus stop is? Or do you know where the restroom is?
Exactly, super useful when you're traveling.
I can already feel myself getting less lost.
Great, and one more essential phrase before we continue. Before we move on, let me give you another really helpful phrase, especially when you're trying to understand instructions. Could you explain that again?
Oh, yes. I need that one all the time. My brain sometimes hears English and goes on vacation.
Same. Even native speakers ask for repetition. It's totally normal.
Good to know I'm not alone in the sorry, what club?
Exactly. And remember, Asking for help is not a sign of a weakness, it's a sign you actually want to communicate well.
I like that. Because sometimes I feel embarrassed, like people will think I'm slow.
Trust me, everyone respects someone who makes an effort. You're learning a second language. That's impressive by itself.
I'll put that on a t-shirt. I'm bilingual. Almost.
Please do. Now, let's imagine a real life situation. You're in a supermarket and you can't find something. What would you say?
Maybe, excuse me, can you help me? I'm having trouble finding the pasta.
Perfect. That's polite, clear, and natural.
Look at me, surviving in the supermarket. Next stop, talking to customer service without sweating.
We'll get you there. Now let's practice another situation. Imagine you're struggling with a machine at the gym.
Story of my life.
You could say, "Sorry, I'm not sure how to use this machine. Could you show me?"
That's honestly a life-saving phrase. Last week, I almost used the machine backwards.
Please don't do that. I don't want to record this podcast from the hospital.
Me neither. I'll stick to asking for help politely.
Great choice. Now let's talk about tone. When you ask for help politely in English, your voice should sound warm, not too demanding or impatient.
So don't sound like a drill sergeant.
Exactly. Instead of "help me," you want something like, "Excuse me, could you help me for a moment?"
Soft, friendly, like I'm not about to start a fight.
Yes, tone is everything. You can say the same words with a different tone and it becomes rude.
That's true in any language. Sometimes my tone in English accidentally sounds too serious.
That's normal when you're concentrating, but with practice, you'll relax into it.
I'm getting there. Slowly, like a turtle, but still moving.
Turtles win races, you know?
True. Maybe I'm an English learning turtle.
A proud one. Now, let's add another important phrase. I could use some help with.
Oh, that one feels very natural, like something you'd say to a coworker.
Yes, it's friendly but not too casual. Works almost everywhere.
Let me try. I could use some help with this report. Or, I could use some help with my pronunciation.
Great examples. And you made them sound natural too.
Anna, I think I'm becoming unstoppable. Soon I'll be out there asking for help like a pro.
That's the goal. And here's one more for emergencies, when you really need help fast. I need help, please.
Yeah, that one is direct.
Exactly. Still polite, but more urgent. You don't use it for asking where the cereal is in the supermarket. You use it when something serious is happening.
Makes sense. It's like the panic button phrase.
Totally. But good to know it exists.
So we've covered a lot, right? Asking for help in stores, asking for explanations, getting help with tasks, emergencies, all the bases.
Yes, but now I want to help you practice choosing the right phrase for the right moment.
Okay, let's do it. Hit me with a situation.
You're at the airport and you're not sure which gate your flight leaves from.
Easy. Excuse me, could you tell me where gate 14 is?
Perfect. Very natural.
Next one.
You're at a cafe and you don't understand the menu.
Hmm. Sorry to bother you, but could you explain this item?
Excellent. You're choosing the perfect phrases.
I'm on fire. Give me another one.
Okay, imagine you're trying to assemble furniture and the instructions make zero sense.
So basically, every IKEA experience ever.
Exactly.
I'd say, I'm having trouble with these instructions. Could you give me a hand?
Brilliant. You're ready for survival mode in English.
I feel powerful. Asking for help powerful.
Good, because there's one more group of useful phrases we haven't covered yet. So, like I was saying, there's one more group of phrases I want to teach you. Phrases for offering help in case someone needs it. It's connected to today's topic, and it also makes you sound more natural.
Oh, interesting. I thought we were only learning how to ask for help.
True, but learning to offer help also improves your confidence. It shows you're comfortable in English.
Okay, hit me with them. What do people usually say?
A super common one is, do you need a hand?
Nice, short, friendly, and sounds very natural.
Exactly. Another one is, can I help you with anything?
Oh, I've heard that in stores.
Yep, very common. And one more. Let me know if you need help.
That one feels polite but relaxed.
It's perfect in professional situations, too. You basically open the door for someone to ask.
So now I can ask for help and offer help. I'm a full-service English speaker.
Exactly. Now let's practice both sides in a longer conversation. I'll be someone who needs help, and you'll respond.
I'm ready. Let's go.
Excuse me, I'm having trouble finding the office supply section. Could you help me?
Sure, I can give you a hand. It's right down that hallway and to the left.
Perfect tone, perfect clarity.
I'm basically an employee now.
Okay, now another one. I'll be a coworker. Hey, Leo, I'm stuck with this spreadsheet.
No problem. Can I help you with anything?
Great. Maybe just add with the spreadsheet to be even clearer.
Got it. Can I help you with the spreadsheet?
Perfect.
This is great practice, honestly.
Good, because now we're going back to asking for help, but with a twist. How to stay calm when you're nervous.
Yes. My specialty. Panicking.
A lot of English learners freeze when they need help, especially if they think someone might judge them.
That happens to me a lot. I want to ask something, but my brain is like, nope, we live here now. No English today.
Exactly. So I want you to remember one thing. People don't care as much as you think they do. Most people will simply help you and move on.
True. I overthink things.
So here's a hack for confidence. Before asking for help, take a small breath and think, I just need one simple sentence.
I like that. Keep it simple.
Yes, and you don't need perfect grammar. You only need to communicate the idea. Even something like, sorry, I need help, whereas is totally okay.
That's good to hear. I always feel like I need to speak perfect English.
Nobody speaks perfect English, not even native speakers. They make mistakes all the time.
Right. I've heard some native speaker sentences that made me question humanity.
Exactly. So let me teach you one last phrase that instantly makes everything easier. I'm still learning English.
Oh, that's a good one.
Yes, it lets the other person know that you might need patience, and people usually respond very kindly.
So I could say something like, sorry, I'm still learning English. Could you speak a bit slower?
Perfect, and polite, and natural.
I love that. I'm definitely going to use this one.
Good. Now, before we wrap up, let's do one final exercise. I'll give you quick situations, and you choose the best phrase to ask for help. Ready?
Ready.
Okay. You're lost in a big building.
Excuse me, I'm a little lost. Could you tell me where the exit is?
Excellent. Next, you can't understand the instructions someone just gave you.
Sorry, could you explain that again?
Perfect. Next, you're carrying something heavy and need assistance.
Could you give me a hand with this?
Nice. Last one, you don't understand a word someone said.
I didn't catch that. Could you repeat it, please?
Amazing! You've mastered polite ways to ask for help.
Honestly, I feel much more confident now. Asking for help used to stress me out.
And now you have phrases for every situation. Shopping, traveling, work, emergencies, everything.
Thank you. This really helps. Ironically.
See, you asked for help and got better at asking for help.
Full circle moment.
Always. And remember, being polite, staying calm, and using simple sentences is all you need.
I'll keep practicing, and I'll try not to panic next time my brain forgets every English word I've ever learned.
Deal. And I'll be here to help you again whenever you need it. See you next time.